Your parents have taken you and some friends to a local gem mine. As you stand there, looking at the posters in the visitor center, you overhear some of the employees talking about real gemstones in the mine below. Apparently, last night's shift discovered a treasure trove. The employees are so excited and are making big plans for all the riches they're sure to get. Riches? You see them disappear behind the door and know that you've got to follow. You and your friends quickly head for the door only to discover that behind it are a series of locks and puzzles designed to keep out all but the most brilliant of mineralogists. Only someone with the true knowledge of minerals has any hope of uncovering the treasure. However, as you head down the hall towards the first locked door, you hear your mom call out that you're leaving in 1 hour. Is that enough time for you to uncover your own secret treasure?